Okay, let's start creating those scatter plots. So first of all, you are going to be creating the scatter plots right here on the scatter plots start sheet. It's wide open for you there, and you are going to be pulling all of your data from the 2019 data sheet. This is the master data set. It has information for all products, regions, etc. Looks like almost 800 total transactions in this data set. Now, we are specifically interested in looking just at product 003 for this exercise. So the very first thing you want to do is navigate to column K where your product is listed, and you want to filter it just to product 003. So you can click on the select all to deselect everything, and then product 3, hit OK, and your entire data set will be filtered just to product 003. Now, as I showed you earlier, the two types of scatter plots that I'm creating at this point, we want to take a look at what the invoice price is per transaction amount, and we also want to take a look at what the pocket price is per transaction amount. So that is going to be this gold column here in V&W, where you can pull in your invoice information, invoice price, as well as this is actually the transaction amount. You can consider this right here. So if you just select that entire column of data in column V and W, and you can use Control and Shift to highlight that selectively, and just take that, copy it right over here onto your scatter plot start sheet. And then we just need to grab the pocket revenue and pocket price per quantity here in columns AA and AB. So just Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Okay, now the thing is, you could actually, if you so desired, you could create your actual charts, your scatter plots, right here on your data sheet for a given product. But the thing is I generally prefer to take that data, copy it to another sheet, because the way that Excel works, if you do create a chart on the sheet, if you plan on iterating through many products, every time you change the filtering on your data set, that will change your chart. That could potentially be useful if you do want to, switch from product 1 to 2 to 3 really quickly and see how, everything changes. But generally, you're going to be wanting to take these charts and put them into another medium, whether that's throwing it into an email, throwing it into a PowerPoint deck. So in those instances, you want to make sure those charts are static, and just because you start to mess around with your filters, you don't want your charts changing on you. So that's why I would recommend to actually copying the data to another sheet and creating the visualization from there. So we have our necessary data copied here to the scatterplot start sheet, so we can begin actually creating those scatter plots.